Okay, so here's this Goodman heat pump running. It's nice and warm air. Cold scroll. And here's this wood I got the frosting back in like December or something. I feel like I heard something fire up, but nah. Here. Ow. 4-ton. I think 2013. Yup. So, yeah. Sounds nice. There's a reversal valve down there. I do not have any luck trying to get the frosting this year, but I will. It's always next winter. So, yeah. Trying to see if anything else started up. There's the York and the 2 trains. There's actually a new mini split down there. I don't know if you can see it. The 4 trains and the 3 trains and the Heil. So yeah. There's this Goodman heat pump running. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.